Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we will be discussing the June lead code problem, that is a maximum area of a piece of cake after horizontal and vertical cuts. So in this problem we are given a rectangular cake with height and width, that is h and w, and we are given with the horizontal cuts and vertical cuts that are made on that cake, and we have to return the maximum area of a piece of cake after you cut at each horizontal and vertical position provided in the arrays. So we are given the example. Inputs are height equals to 5, width equals to 4, horizontal cuts 1, 2, 4, and vertical cuts 1 and 3. So I will explain this problem with the help of example 1. So this is our first example. We are given input as 5, 4, horizontal cuts 1, 2, 4, and vertical cuts 1, 3. So how we can calculate a area of a particular block? So if we will take the first block, that is this one. So the area of this block will be height, that is 1, into width 1. So 1 into 1 equals to 1. So its area will be 1. Like this, if we will move to this block, its area will be 1 into width 2. So its area will be 2 into 1 equals to 2. Like this, the next block's area will be 1 into 1. Next block area will be 1 into 1, 2 into 1, and 1 into 1. So now the question is how we can calculate the maximum area of a block. So maximum area of the block will be if we have the maximum height and maximum width or in our grid. So maximum height is, if we will see this green area, maximum height is 2, maximum width is 2. So area is 2 into 2 equals to 4. So this is our maximum area of a cake. So now if you'll now the question, how we will calculate this maximum height and width from the inputs. So now if we will take these inputs, so maximum area can be calculated, sorry, maximum height can be calculated from the horizontal cuts. So for this we will iterate through horizontal cuts array. We will take first element as it is 1. The next height will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. Next height will be 4 minus 2, 2. And now we have reached up to this 1, 1, 2. Now we are left with this one. How we will calculate this? At the end we will do height, total height of the cake minus last element of horizontal, that is 4, equals to 1. Now we have to calculate the maximum width of the cake. So for that we can iterate through the vertical cuts array. So we'll take first element as it is 1. Next width will be 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So we have calculated this one is 2 and we are left with this. How we can calculate it? At the very last we can do total width minus last element 3, that is 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So our maximum height is 2, maximum width is 2, so area will be 2 into 2 equals to 4. So what will be the algorithm of this problem? Firstly we have to iterate horizontal cuts array, find max height. It will be equals to element at I minus element at I minus 1. Then we have to iterate over vertical cuts array to calculate the maximum width. It is element of I minus element of I minus 1. So at the very last, for the last block, we will do this one. We will calculate the maximum height by comparing max height and h minus last element. Then we will calculate the final max width by comparing max width and w minus last element. So in this way we will get the maximum height, maximum width, and we will return the max area. So if I will show you the code. So firstly we have to sort the array. We have to sort the array because in some inputs like this there can be array with descending order like 3 comma 1, so we have to sort the array so that we can get 1 comma 3. So we have to sort the horizontal cuts array, we have to sort the vertical cuts array. Then I have taken this modulus because in the question it's been said that since the answer can be huge number, return the modulo of 10 is to 9 plus 7. So that's why I have taken this mod. And now I have taken max height as 0, initially max width as 0. Then I have iterated over the horizontal cuts array. This in this for loop I will get the max height. In this loop I have iterated vertical cuts and I will get the max width. So this is a last step which I was telling, that for the last blocks we have to do h minus last element and width minus last element of vertical cuts array, and at the very end we will return the maximum area. So if I will run the code, so my test case is passed. So now I will submit the solution. So it is accepted. So if I will go into the more details tab, all test cases are passed. Runtime is 18 millisecond. This is memory use. So runtime beats 13.66% of Java solutions. And this is the submitted code. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.